If it may please the court, my lord, just few clarification questions. Morning, Mr. Matlo.
Morning, my lord.
Mr. Matlo, I'm a bit confused. You were asked a question by my learned colleague as to when accused number 1 passed his learners, and then you said it was a date in September 2014. Is that your evidence? When did he pass his learners? We know that he failed in Brakpan on the 17th of July 2014. On the same day, he went to Boksburg, made another pre-booking, and he was booked for the 22nd of July. When did he pass his learners?
If I may refer, my lord, because the evidence that I used in my testimony, I was referring to the annex charge.
Yes, it's so MCC.
Can I quickly, if I'm allowed, can I quickly go and check just to confirm?
Yes, just check MCC exhibit or annexure MCC 01 at page 12.
Okay, let me check, my lord.
Ikhona into engiqalayo lana konje bowuthe umsolwa wokuqala yena upase nini ilearners yakhe uthi ngicela ukubheka ngoba ubufakazi ongikhulume ngabo babukade bujulile bubude.
Okay, he failed on the 22nd of July,
yes,
2014. Then he made the bookings on the same day, and he was issued with the date to write on the 15th of September 2014.
Yes.
Then I'm going along with it, going along it. Test date is the 15th of September 2014. It is correct.
That's when he passed.
Yes, that's when
but
he passed.
If you look at your MCC 01 at page 12, where you said the people that were tested between 12:01 p.m., it was on the 15th of September 2015. That's why I'm confused.
My lord, on annexure MCC 01 page 12,
yes,
these are the results. The test date is the 15th of September 2014.
Then go to page 15.
Page 15
of your MCC 01.
Page 15. Page 15, it shows all the applicants,
yes,
that were there. I also highlighted his name, if you can able to check on its lecture, MCC 15.
Yes.
Yes.
Now go to paragraph 4.18 of your annexure AAA in brackets 2.
4.1?
4.1.18. 4.1.18.
4.1.8.
Into engixakayo ukuthi kunelanga la ukuthi wena uthi uye wapasa nge-15 zika September 2015 kodwa ubufakazi obubhalwe lana bukhuluma ngo-2014 ake ungicacisele lawo malanga uyacacisa ke manje.
My lord, 4.1.18 says NETIS records as shown on page 15 of annexure MCC 01 indicate that the applicants that were examined for learner's license test on 2014-09-15 test time from 12 to 13.
Okay, now that is clarified. Now let me just 3 clarification questions on your evidence in chief. The events that form the subject of this case happened on the 26th of October 2014, and your investigations, according to the letters that you received from the National Commissioner in 2020 and Brigadier Gininda in 2013, was for you to investigate the period December 2013 to December 2014, correct?
My lord, remember I made two affidavits. I'm not sure which affidavit you're talking about. The first affidavit or the second affidavit?
The second affidavit from Colonel Gininda was to specifically investigate December 2013 until December 2014, correct?
Yes, correct. Yes.
Now, with respect to the events, and it touches on relevance, you cannot assist the court as to the whereabouts of accused number 1 on the 26th of October 2014. Is that not correct?
My Lord, in my testimony in chief, I did read out the reason why I was requested to depose the statement.
Yes.
And issue of relevance does not rely on me. I'm an officer employed by road traffic management as an investigator. When I receive a request to say we want to know who the accused was, did you obtain the learner's license, I will submit or depose the statement in such regard.
Manje ke nayi indaba engifuna ukuyicacisa lawo ukuthi umsolwa wena uye wathi bathe uphenye kusukela ngo-2013 December ukuyofika ku-2014 uDecember. Iqiniso uthi yebo iqiniso lelo. Manje kuthiwa ke ngeke ukwazi ukusho ukuthi umsolwa wayekade kuphi ngo-October 2014. Uthi mina umsebenzi wami kwakade ukuthi ngiphenye ukuthi i-learners noma i-license uyenze nini. Iyo into engigcine seyukuthi ngiyayenza ingakho ngibhale nobufakazi lana ukuthi uyenze ngo-September 2014.
Now, regarding the address that is provided, Sutu Hostel, N43, Fostoras, Postal Code 1594. Accused number 1 has been in custody since, in prison, not in custody, in Modabi prison since 10 July 2020. And when you opened your system to indicate where he resides, it still shows Sutu Hostel. Did it show that?
My Lord, this is information that you provided at the driving license testing center.
The point that I'm trying to prove to you is that unless the applicant, who is a permit holder or a license holder, comes to the DLTC or ARTO offices and changes his domicilium, his address, that address that he last gave will be reflected as his current address, although he may have moved from the addresses that he provided to you.
My Lord, the Act makes the provision that in terms of the regulation 32A says that if you have changed your address, you must inform the appropriate registering authority.
Then we both agree. I've got no further questions now.
Manje ke umsolwa yena soloku engaphakathi kusukela ngonyaka u2020 kodwa ikheli ithema usibonisa lana ikheli kubonakele elase Sutu Hostel. Lokho okubonakalisayo ukuthi umsolwa wayekade ehlala lapho kufikela namanje akaze eguqule ikheli lakhe. Uthi umthetho uthi uma ingabe uye waliguqula ikheli lakho kwamele uye uyobazisa ukuthi ikheli lakho alisafani naleli wawukade ulibhalisile.
Okay, Mr. Umalo.
Thank you, my lord. I definitely have questions. Thank you.